Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good and studying at home. Children, in our today's GK class, we will study about the world's superlative. Chapter number 9, world superlative, and also about the animal superlatives. So children, world superlative means in today's video we will know about the world's biggest, largest, highest, tallest and smallest things in the world. Okay, so let's start. Do you know that which is the biggest planet? The biggest planet is Jupiter. Okay, so Jupiter is 71,492 kilometer in radius. Okay, now we will know about the smallest planet. The smallest planet is Mercury. Its radius is 2439.7 kilometer. Deepest valley, Kali Gandaki Gorge. It is in Nepal and it is 5571 meters deep. Okay, now we will know about the largest gulf. Children, the largest gulf is Gulf of Mexico. It is around 15,50,000 square kilometer and it is surrounded by the North American continent. Okay, it is surrounded by the North American continent. Now we will know about the longest mountain range. The longest mountain range is Andes. It is around 7,000 kilometers long and it is running along the western side of South America. Okay, these mountain ranges can be found on the western side of the South America. Now we will know about the tallest tree. The tallest tree is giant redwood tree. It is around 115.6 meter tall and it is found in USA. USA means United States of America. Now we will know about the longest canal. The longest canal is Grand Canal. It is around 1776 kilometer long and it is in China. Children, this canal, it connects 5 of the major rivers in China. Okay. Now, highest airport. The Daocheng Yading Airport is the highest airport and it is around 4,411 meter above the sea level. Okay, it is around 4,411 meter above the sea level. Now we will know about the largest aircraft. The largest aircraft is Antonov AN-225 Mriya, Ukraine. Children, this aircraft was designed by Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine. The tallest clock tower. The tallest clock tower is the Mecca Royal Clock Tower. It is 601 meter tall and it is in Saudi Arabia. Tallest building. The tallest building is Burj Khalifa in UAE. UAE means United Arab Emirates. Tallest statue. The tallest statue is Statue of Unity and it is in India. It is 182 meter tall. Children, the Statue of Unity is an extremely large statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of independent India. So children, this is the tallest statue. Okay, Statue of Unity. Now largest bust sculpture. It is Adiyogi statue. It is also in India and it is 34.3 meter high, large. Okay, now the largest diamond is the Golden Jubilee diamond. It is 545.67 carat. Largest hotel, it is First World Hotel in Malaysia. Okay, largest library, the British Library in UK, United Kingdom. The longest railway line is the Trans-Siberian Railway. It is 9,289 kilometer. It is in Russia. The longest train passenger is the Ghan, 1.2 kilometer, and it is having 99 coaches. It is a passenger train and it is in Australia. The longest railway station, Grand Central Terminal, it is in New York. The largest ship passenger is Symphony of the Seas. It is 1188 feet. Longest bridge. The longest bridge is Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge and it is 164.8 kilometer and it is in China. The longest motorable road is Pan American Highway. It is 30,000 kilometer long. Now the longest sea bridge is Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge. It is 55 kilometer long and it is in China. So children, that's all about the world superlative. Now let us know about the animal superlatives. So now let's know about the animal superlatives. So children, now let's start with the biggest killer. The female Anopheles mosquitoes, they are killing more than 1 million people each year by infecting them with malaria. So children, these are the mosquitoes which are causing us malaria. Okay, these mosquitoes are spreading the malaria disease. Okay, so that is why these mosquitoes are known as biggest killer. So the biggest killer is the female Anopheles mosquitoes. Okay, as because of these mosquitoes, so many people are dying every year by getting infected with malaria. So now we will know about the fastest land reptile. Okay, so children, the bearded dragon is the fastest reptile on land with a speed of 40 km/h. They are not at all dragons but lizards. They are not dragons at all but they are the lizards. Okay, but they can grow up to 24 inches long, but most of that is their long tail. They are having a long tail. So bearded dragon is the fastest land reptile. Now let us know about the largest rodent. What is the meaning of rodent? Rodent means a type of small animal such as a rat or a rabbit or a mouse, etc. Okay, but children, they are having a strong front teeth. Okay, their front teeth is very strong. So among all those rodents, among all those such type of animals, the capybara is the largest of all living rodents. Okay, and South American capybaras may be 1.25 meter long and they weight around 66 kg or more, and they are vegetarians. Okay, now let us know about the thickest skin animal, the animal which is having the thickest skin. Okay, so 4 meter long rhinos have the thickest skin. Rhinos are having the thickest skin, okay, which act as the armor. Now here, what do you mean by armor? Armor means their skin act as a protection guard for themselves, as their skin is very thick. Okay, so children, in the body, in the vulnerable places. Now what is the meaning of vulnerable places? Vulnerable means the weak and easy to hurt part. Okay, in such parts of their body like shoulder, it can be almost 2 inch 5 centimeter thick. Okay, so the thickest skin animal is the rhinos. Now let us know about the animal which is having the longest lifespan. Okay, they can live really up to very long years. Okay, so this animal is having the longest lifespan. A Madagascan radiated tortoise. Okay, a Madagascan radiated tortoise is known to have lived at least for 188 years. Can you just imagine? So that is why this animal is given the longest lifespan name. Okay, now let us know about the biggest drinker. So children, the animal which is known as the biggest drinker are the camels. Okay, camels are the biggest drinkers. 2.3 meter high Bactrian camel can drink 57 liters in one session. They can drink 57 liters in just one session. Okay, so camels are known as the biggest drinker. Now let us know about the smelliest mammal. Children, the stinking spray from a 68 centimeter striped skunk is used as a defense against predators. Means it is used as a protection, for a protection against an animal that kills and eat the other animals. So striped skunk is used as a defense and makes it the smelliest mammal. So the smelliest mammal is striped skunk. Okay, its name is striped skunk. So children, I hope that you understood this topic. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.